Hey guys, it's Maycee here, and today we are going to be talking about Halloween signs. We have lots of styles to choose from, so today I'm just going to show you the different styles, and we have a lot, so get ready to tune in. So the first sign I'm going to show you is this Beware. It is a wooden sign and it has the twine roping on it. It is so cute. This is one of my favorites. Next, we have this other wood sign, and it says October 31st, and it's got the polka dots on the background, and then it even has like a little spider hanging on from the one, and it also has the twine rope on it as well. I love that one. And then this is another one of my favorites. I love Halloween, so I'm probably going to say all of them are my favorite, but this one says Witch's Market, and let's see, it says open during the light of the moon, and then locally enchanted, potions, spells, brooms, cauldrons, black cats, hats, crystal balls. So it's super cute. It's got like black glitter details, and then look at that little broom up there. That is so cute. And then it also has the twine roping on it. Love that one. Okay, so this next one's a little bit different, but it is it's what we call our Eva foam. We have some bigger pieces in the Eva foam that we've gotten in for like summertime especially, and people have loved them. But this is a smaller Eva foam piece, and it's a little candy corn. So you got your yellow with polka dots, then it says trick or treat on the orange, and then the black and white polka dots at the top. I love this. This would be so cute in a wreath. And then it's got a hook on the back, a metal hook, and then it's got a clear string. So that is so good for Halloween. Okay, next we have, I call this the haunted house sign. And that is what it looks like. So it is a haunted house, and it says enter at your own risk. It's got like the lighting in the windows. It's got bats, a cat, spider webs, and there's even a little skeleton. I don't know if you can see it peeking through the top window. I love that detail on it. And then it's also got the twine rope on it as well, and it is a wood sign. So next we're gonna have a metal sign, if I can get it out. Okay, so this one says Happy Halloween. Is that not just adorable? So you got the owl with a witch hat on, and then you have the moon in the background, and then it looks like it's at nighttime, so it's got the clouds at the bottom, and it says Happy Halloween, and then it's got black and white stripe all the way around the edging. And on all of our metal signs, there is 2 holes that you can use for securing them in a wreath. So next we have this ghost sign. I love this sign. It says spooky season, and he is holding him a little trick-or-treat jack-o'-lantern basket. It's got the moon and the stars, and then it's outlined with orange glitter. Love the details. This one is also one of my favorites. I think it's so different than any other signs I've seen. So this is the moon face, and then you have the bats, and it looks like there's a little graveyard down here, and then you have a jack-o'-lantern and the cat. I just love the moon face. This is so different than anything I've ever seen, so it's very, very fun. Okay, so then going back in with our wood signs, we have this one. It says pumpkin, sweets, tricks, and treats. And then it's got the orange and white striping at the bottom, and then of course it has the twine rope on it as well. Okay, so I believe this is the last one, so if you want this sign, you better snatch it up. It just says boo in orange, and it's got the black and white stripes. This is a classic, a good sign to have. Love that. And then we have this one. So this is just a jack-o'-lantern face as the base, and it says Happy Halloween in purple glitter, and then it's got some green polka dots on it. Everybody has loved this sign. It's just a classic, kind of like the Boo sign is a classic. It says Trick or Treat in orange sparkle glitter, and then it's got the orange and white striping on the side. So this is such a good classic to have for Halloween when you're creating your wreaths. So this, we had a cat version of this last year and we sold out. Everybody loved it. But we have the ghost version. I'm gonna call this like a foam. That may be the wrong wording, but he is so cute. How cute would he be in a wreath? I just love him. He's very lightweight. He has a hook at the top, and he is just so cute and fun. I can see somebody getting really creative with this. And then this wood sign says Peekaboo, and it's got the mummy with his green eyes, and then they are glitter green. And then this metal sign is one of my favorites. It's the spooky season. It's got the pink background with the ghosts, and there's some moon and stars, and it's got the black glitter rim. And then last but not least, this one is a small sign, but everybody has been loving these, and it says Trick or Treat with the pumpkin, and then it's got the Harlequin background on it in the orange and black. So thank you guys for watching. You can shop all these products at tmigifts.com under Halloween decor. Bye guys.